Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to record your screen. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the screen recording toggle, which looks to be disabled by default. So let's tap on this square with the pen in it, and then activate it from somewhere in here. Oh, there we go, there it is, so screen recording. So what you want to do is just grab it and drag it over, drop it, and there we go. We have added the toggle. And now all you need to do is simply press it to start recording after we grant access to all this, everything that the application wants. And there we go. Now it does give us a couple options right at the start. So we have tap to record, then we have settings, and simply close. Now I will go into the settings just to also check out what settings are set by default. You also have some options for the sounds right here as a quick options. You can tap on more settings, and here we actually have more. So video resolution, we're right now at medium. We have also low. It looks like medium are the high settings here, because we can only go to 720p. We also have frame rate, dynamic, meaning that will adjust to the display itself, so what it's displaying. But I prefer to lock it to 60, just so it's stable all the time, 60. Now video coding format, I'll keep it as it is. Front camera, you can add a selfie cam to the recording if you want. I'm not going to do that. And honestly, that's basically all the settings that we need to go into. So let's close this and tap on the red circle to start recording. And it is recording right now. You can see the countdown. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now once you're done with it, interact with this little thing, click on the square, and it will save the recording. Now there is a little bit of a limitation to the screen recording. As an example, Netflix will block it if you try to record shows so you can watch them later. So if you're gonna try that, I will basically tell you right now, don't even bother. All you're gonna get is a black screen with sound. So yeah. Now once you have recorded your screen recording, you can find it in your pictures folder or application under either photos right here, as you can see, or if you go into albums, you should have screenshots, it looks like. Yep, it's under screenshots, and there it is. So this is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.